how to use Walmart promo code. You can use that to get discounts on your purchase from Walmart. So for that, you need to open up your browser and search for walmart.com. The next step is to find the products that you want to purchase and add to cart. So just search for whatever it is that you want to buy. For example, I'm going to buy this one. So this product has been added to cart. Now you want to click on this icon to open up your cart. Now here you want to click on continue to check out. Here you can find the details about your payment. This is your estimated total without any discount. To use your promo code, you can find have a promo code option. Click on this drop-down menu, and over here you need to enter your promo code. So I have got a promo code here from this website, couponfollow.com. So I'm simply going to copy this promo code and then head back to this website and enter it. Then you want to click on apply. Once you do that, if the promo code is valid, you're going to get the discount as mentioned in your promo code. And that's how you can use Walmart promo code. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.